B's out here painting around the edges of the windows. And I told him, give me another paintbrush, let me help. What you say, B? Me can't do it. Huh? What you say? B, it's not hard. Guys, do you really think this is hard to just like follow this damn line? MB? Yeah. Some more.
Yeah.
What's so hard in this? Guys, I go back in that room and I have fun. Watch go upon TikTok and YouTube. What is that? I'm not turning on AC for what? This damn place cool. Last night we had on the AC. I had to kick him and tell me, yo, turn that off. I was cold, guys. And worse, we did have the fan on too. So now what? Go back, you know. I'm gonna lie down. Guys, I was supposed to go to the market today. Oh boy, I just wasted my damn money because like, man, I don't know if I was going because the one little time I go, I'm in a sell with more so I just get discouraged. And today's Thursday. So I don't know. B, they said when he was like done painting, we are gonna put on and like drive around and park up and I major tones them and just open up a car and see if that will work because I don't really want to waste the day. Tomorrow's Friday. Friday and Saturday they said a really good day at market. So we're gonna try and go there tomorrow. So yeah. It's B reach up our house top. I don't know if you guys can see him that good. Yeah. Painting. So we're not gonna bother God instead again. We're just like kill deer, painting and helping them fix up or whatever. Alright, good morning guys. Today is Friday. We're up and at it early. We were supposed to go to the market today, but we say yo, we have a blitz on. We're gonna go Tuesday and then to Hagwan. So I said we just drive round. So somebody did sleep with us last night, so we went to go drop him off. And I stayed with my mother-in-law while B went around like the community and still. Did you do good, B?
Yeah, surprised me. Better than Lindsay.
By far, don't?
Yeah, I mean.
So enough people did that rush your night car or what?
Yeah, because people don't have to expect me.
Yeah. So what you do? You just park and say, yo, come in or
no, man, the time drive.
And then you just stop on.
Yeah, from gate to gate.
What you sell most of? Plate and cup or?
Yeah.
Plate and cup then. So yeah, and I stayed with my mother-in-law. She's like, Haley, you eat breakfast? We said no. She's like, you have to eat breakfast. So she fried some plantain for me. And spam. So that was nice. She didn't have to do that because like, you know what I mean, would I eat our road or whatever. So yeah. And we were just there reasoning and talking and stuff. My nose is bothering me. It's because of the fan, but like I don't know, like I was hot last night, or maybe because I didn't have any clothes on. Probably that's it. Don't you think, B? Probably true. I don't know.
So you say take up coat?
Yeah, my nose is bothering me. Every minute I feel blow. All right, guys. So we're going to like a different district now. Go sell our stuff. So I'll check in with you guys a little bit more. Alright, guys. First things first. Good morning. Yesterday I only got like one clip, and like basically I was just telling you guys that we were driving around selling stuff yesterday. I ain't do nothing else after that. B did have a party that like the song was like being used for like stringing up, so he was doing that. I ain't feel like going, so I just stayed home and I edited a video. I uploaded that. That was my me coming to Jamaica vlog, my first day in Jamaica. So now we're here getting some food. Well, B was ordering it. I don't know who. Wait, food done?
Well, like I don't do that in my cook back.
Excuse me?
Yeah, they said 20 minutes fried chicken ready. Can't wait. And the soup done.
And it's only it's not even 12 o'clock yet. So how I thought her food.
Being a grand market, nobody now no time for cook at the yard. Everybody has to come out and buy food.
So I mean, did I say what food?
I mean, I said I eat mixed fried chicken now. You know?
Well, guys, no food for that. So what, y'all gonna wait the 20 minutes? Huh?
No.
So y'all gonna do? Got juicy beef? Huh?
Yep.
Guys, we did sing pan and rice and peas with the curry goat and fried chicken and with the pasta. This lady food, every time I eat her food, it never disappoints. I mean, I didn't get any last trip, so I do want some this trip, but I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, we'll get something to eat now, and then B has a quick little thing I have to go deal with. How long is it gonna take somewhere? How long is that gonna take?
I'm put up the current already, I'm put up everything already, so.
So just what?
Just turn on.
Turn on, okay. So like 10 minutes?
Yeah, but I want to have you, but I also buy food them. Buy food them and come back.
Me go buy food? You trust me to drive?
I mean, so you can't drive fast, so you can't choose me if I drive, go buy one food and come back. I'll just park your car and go inside. That's a come out quick. And you don't have to go in and know where you're going to take a long time.
No, I'll wait on you.
You wait for me?
Yeah, I don't want to go drive. Not saying I can't drive, guys. Like, guys, me a top driver and not a foreign.
A foreign.
But
where we were them broad, the trailer, we have 5 trailer can pass, it's part 2 car lane there.
But like, I really don't trust myself. Like, yo, if my life depended on it, obviously, me I go drive at Jamaica. But like, I have B to do it, so like, obviously, let him drive. So
that means
I'll just.
If we reach a foreign, you're gonna be backwards. Cause everywhere we go, you tell me me must drive.
No,
so you
maybe that friend, I'm gonna drive myself.
No, you're not gonna drive.
Well, first of all, we're not gonna
car.
have the same car. You come my friend, I'm gonna have my own car. You're gonna get a car.
The only thing I got, unless a turbo fisher, you go. Only this way you go without me, basically. So I'm gonna the road there, you're gonna drive. I'll get workless.
Well, anyways, B, please don't take more than 10 minutes because I want something to eat.
I mean, I tell us if it does go on, that's me.
So, no, but that's the thing, I don't know what I want.
No, but me can't know if you either go down there and just buy.
No, but B, tell you the more food, you know, some rice and some sitting. Food.
So what if they don't have any rice and juicy beef?
B, juicy beef never sell food like that. It's either the chicken or patty. I don't know, B. Your town this now? Jamaica, your place, you know?
Oh, so back Jamaica.
Jamaica, your place, so you should know what is what. Alright, guys, we get food, but and I set up right with the tell the right gravy upon the rice, but you guys see gravy. I don't see gravy. Damn chicken dry and then a ketchup and pepper, like, oh god. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna just eat. Just sell our clocks. I know them back there know I look in my trunk for stuff. So that what they gotta do. The sound is playing. It was already like string up and everything, so now B wants to go turn it on and it probably go off. I don't know what else we're gonna do, or if that's what the motive is after this. But yeah. But I just want to get rid of that clocks, because you know that that's a money there. If you look on Suavitail irons and swap and ton, it's fine. But I clocks them and me in focus. So alright guys, so my dad needs to know which part this song I go play later. B come here if you come straight up. As you can see, it's on just a neck back. Listen to that crowded, but I know people that was here. I still do me shop there secure, and then yeah, but they are occupied. So I guess in here, so a dancer sitting there, got there. Guys, I'm ready to go. We just want to go home and go take a rest because I'm finally gonna like go out and party tonight and like fix up and dress up and stuff. So yeah, let me show you guys what I have on today. Just something simple. I haven't been wearing makeup a lot. want to put the next set of column over here, but these people blocked it up with like they're selling stuff. I didn't know, say I just front there, but they still set up shop there. I think say it was gonna be like more crowded than this, but I guess the people have not fully come outside yet. So yeah. And crispy chicken. Crispy chicken. Yeah. Alright guys. Good morning. Last time you saw me, I was down at Linstead with the sun on, and we were coming up to like bed and get ready, but my head was hurting me and I decided to take 2 pills, take a quick little nap. I set my alarm, and then me and B woke up at like 3:20. B vexed with me and said, yo, if we just did come up and bed and you could have sleep in the car and reach back down, everything. But I didn't tell my nice time when my song them up clear. But B, you vexed bad now. Huh?
No, man.
Be vexed with me, guys. But you know, stuff happens, guys. I didn't get a chance to like fully get ready like how I want to. I came out the house like half, whatever. I still gotta lotion my legs, put on my shoes, button up my shirt and stuff. I mean, hopefully crowds still down there, stuff still like on, you know, vibe this and whatsoever. 4 o'clock now. By the time we reach Linstead, I'm probably about 4:20-ish or whatever. Cause at 4:30. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'll let you guys know I'm not sleeping all day today. B not gonna make me sleep. As we're coming, we are gonna tidy up, clean out your room and the bathroom, and put up what we can put up for Christmas. I forgot to tell you guys, after 12 o'clock it's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, and I wish you all a very prosperous new year. But yes, big Christmas. I just beat B. I was like, oh, Merry Christmas. And then laughed. I said, am I going to get this for New Year's? We will see, guys. I'm always the one who always like remembering stuff and saying, you know, or whatever. So, I'm going to beat it New Year's. So, how much we have bet? Or what we betting? What we have bet? Yeah, we got a bet too. Think about it and you let me know. So yeah guys, we're just lotion up now and I'm gonna try and put on the vlogs. You don't have Lindsay guy and you're just dead. We just leave the zone. They might juggle the zone. I mean, it's a few people down there, but it's not like as drama as I thought it was gonna be. I remember coming to Grand Market at Linstead and I was like, what? 2010, you can't even find space to like walk or move. Just dead. So we are gonna walk way up this and see if anything is going. Me, yeah, video me.
Me now walk. Let's see where I go.
Alright, 6 o'clock now, so then I'm gonna pack up. No, everybody, I clean up stuff. Alright guys, good morning. Merry Christmas again. I came in and we took a nap and stuff. Be tell everyone Merry Christmas.
What? Me don't know what you said.
What's today?
Morning guys. What?
What's today?
Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas everybody.
What are we doing now?
Tidy up.
Tidy up. Anyways guys, we're cleaning. This is a little bit before. We're taking out the stuff, doing a nice little deep clean. This is getting changed. This is getting changed. This is gonna get some nice little glam stuff. So we're gonna clean and I'll show you guys the aftermath. Right now, be a spray out the room with big and like a mosquito them and stuff. Or whatever. And then be where a freshener stuff will move by. I just had it. Oh, over here guys. I forgot to bring the Febreze plug-in stuff. The Downy one, it smells so good. I forgot to bring it down, so I had to buy this yesterday in linen, a Glade one. I hope it's good in the can sweet up your room or whatever. I did bring candles too as well, so we're gonna light that when we're done. So I'm gonna plug that in, switch the bed, change the curtains and stuff. I just had breakfast. I'll insert a clip here. I had curry goat bread. It was so good. So yeah. And then I'm gonna clean the bathroom too and change the curtain and stuff in there as well. Matt try to get beef and do as much as he can because in soon left figure get the sauna and carry it up here to play. So yep, I know when my do his song, it might gonna take like it's gonna take him like some time, probably like 2 to 3 hours or whatever. So yeah. So you first walk in, we have this little mat, outside shoes, and then alright guys, so as you can see when you first walk in, we have a little fake little Christian Dior map. When I see a Lindsay, I was like, oh, these look so nice. So 2 came in night pack, this long one here and then the short one. I had got this. I brought this fuzzy one. I brought that fuzzy one from home or whatever. I wasn't thinking I should have brought down 2, but then when I was at the store, I didn't even see like 2 of those anyways to begin with. So I just grabbed that mat there because I wanted something to go like before the door so we can like wipe off like our shoes before like we go in here or whatever. And I just put that there, you know. Aerosol is still chock up with a whole bunch of stuff, but we kind of got rid of like what's not being used. And then we have this little beaded centerpiece. This is what they use like on dining room tables, along with this one we use as a bedside table. These are like charger plates. I liked it. The theme I was going for was like black and silver, but I couldn't find any black and silver matte comforters to like save my life. And plus I wasn't bringing this down in my damn suitcase, so like I was like on a time crunch when I was trying to like pack the barrels them and stuff. So I just went ahead and went with this. I like it because it came with everything. Only thing that didn't come with was like a bed skirt. Speaking of bed skirt, I blew bed skirt with still Avon from previously. It totally slipped my mind to get a black bed skirt, but it's fine. Like it's really not that noticeable unless it's super fast and you have to look, you know, and you looking too hard. So yeah, got this. It came with everything, fitted, sheet set, pillowcases, and it came with 3 decorative pillows. And then I have these curtains, black and silver. I brought these down, and you guys saw in the previous vlog that I got these at Azan. And yeah, that's pretty much for this little room tour what we did. Obviously over there is kind of cluttered a little bit, but like it's fine or whatever. You know how long they were building like a whatnot or whatever, 2.5 years now, and I don't know when mine can done, but yeah, so that's it. My camera is the battery is flashing right now, so I'm just gonna end this clip here, switch my battery, and then we'll pick off in the next clip. Okay, bye guys. We're still here. I don't know, the truck guy did not come for the song to bring it to the next location for the event tonight that they were booked for, and B paid them already last night for today to, like, you know, pick up the song and carry it to the next location. He's been calling them since morning. They say all right, they have somewhere to drop off, they're gonna come back in our next hour, We came down here waiting on them. Be a call. No answer, nothing. We went to the house. Nobody did it. And I still call straight to voicemail. So obviously, I styling thing didn't pan. But I mean, like, if you couldn't fulfill or you couldn't do it, make people know so they can make like prior arrangements. You know, big Christmas day. Nobody did it. Like, it kind of hard if you like get a truck man or whatever. So I don't know, me feel if it be a cuss and I say Ray go suck on a little bit. I'm gonna tell them say, yo, you know, you just have to calm down, you know, at the end of the day, you know. A little money we ain't get and a nothing. But I just feel bad because like he was booked for like another event. And like what? It's like 4 o'clock. No, y'all go show up with sound in that late night, you know, sound go in that early day, go and play and look at music and stuff. Be there, stress out, don't know what to do. With it on, you feel bad. Guys, the truck finally came and ooh, my phone. They have 3 calling my son, one of like this stuff, and this one with them I can pack up and going. Alright guys, so me and Jordan is here. We are walking up to which part the song is playing. Me not beard and dress up and everything yet, cause you know that's still early settings and B still up there like stringing up and stuff. I hate when people looking at me and watching me. So yeah, we gotta go up there. No guys, me in my bed good enough. 11 o'clock I lie down and I sleep. Mind you, B is still up by sound. I will feel still like I have to come or whatever. B coming. I hurry up and be and put on time and go back up there. If you come, I said no, mommy, I'll take a hour sleep and baby chill. Oh yeah, right? Alright, so I'm gonna wake up now. And I was like, I wanted to sleep so bad, guys. Like I really wanted to sleep. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna leave B hanging. Cause B, I'm gonna say, oh, I know I hang out with him and anything to do with his sound. I know I did that, right. So I'm gonna get up, beard, put on my good face, put on my nice clean clothes, guys, like, you know, shorts and no clocks and stuff. I'm go buy dance, guys, because I count the amount of people. B, yes, I could have counted. People, Mr. Guys, it plays scatter, and it's not what I expected. Cause like usually, like where this skip, like in that community, usually around full of people. Not that vibes of the day. Like I was like telling B, like from my reach, like my patience backs up. Like I wasted my outfit. Cause like this looked good. Nobody didn't see me in that. My makeup, I'm gonna take time and do. I could have been in my bed sleeping or whatever. You know, what is it? And next thing, guys, B had to carry down some people or whatever that was like helping with the sound. B, I drop asleep or whatever. And guys, you know, I can drive, but like, we don't like drive at Jamaica. You know, road them bad and the road left and right, and you know, and the people that just drive bad or whatever. B a buck. B just give me a car. Me drive like good distance, you know, people like good driving. And like whereas like outside is like so gloomy and stuff, so it was like so hard for me to like concentrate because like I'm like looking under like this to make sure like I don't like run into anything or like go over like in like gully or whatever up on the bank. Guys, but B taking a look at rest. No, I know it might go make your journey go back up. We dropped off everybody already, and then like I kept dropping in some potholes. I'm not gonna lie, because like, you know, I don't see them sometimes. Even when I'm like at home, I just be driving, guys. Like I really don't be looking out for potholes. B, I get vexed. Like you can't be mad. You the one that gave me the car because you couldn't hang if he wasn't too busy with the sound 24/7 and got proper sleep. We would be in this situation, right? Huh? Right, who would be in this situation? Yes. So we're gonna go up now. I'll hopefully get some sleep. Alright guys, we reached it. I'm about to take off this makeup and go straight to bed. Like I'm so tired. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Yeah, pick up the chicken. Yeah, don't beat it.
Right there, chicken.
Yeah. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
We're about to kill some chicken and pick them and clean
guys,
them. See them? Oh, you want to talk to them or?
Good morning, guys. Some persons helped me, and I'm going to show you the persons that help us. His name is Luke. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself, boy. His name is Luke, guys. So him too shy. Him just love play free fire. Everybody play free fire, guys. So I'm going to give back the video to Kayla, guys.
Alright, guys. Like I said, me I go watch them at D, and we can probably pick off some feather. Well, no, this pick off a feather, so we don't have to worry about that. See chicken over here. 50 odd chicken. So I will try to capture as much as the process as I can for you guys. It's sun ton up today. Nice. Be gone fix somebody's sound. I guess their sound isn't playing good, and you know my man, good technician engineer, yes. Then call him to come fix up back then sound to get it to where it's supposed to be. So Ingan, I just like right up the road or whatever. So yeah, I don't know what to know. And then we don't wanna go for some chicken. I did raise some chicken. I'm gonna have to go pick them up so I can go give them who I was giving them to. And then my cousin go by there and drop off some stuff. And then B, the song is playing today, tomorrow, next 5 days straight. So you know, I'm not really gonna have like that much footage to tell you guys, cause like he gonna be there stringing it up and stuff, and then we have a party. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just trying to vlog as much as I can to get some type of footage for you guys, you know. And then every day I'm gonna go out and do stuff and whatever. So yeah. So as you can see, he killed them. I know.
As you can see, guys,
it was in there.
The head and bloody and ugly. Guys, you know, come on.
So then I believe after we take these out, we are going to dip them in that hot water and then put them in here so if you want fluffy feather. Anessa, how you do?
You have to just, you have to add them.
Yeah, and then you drop them in there, so.
Drop them in there, so. No, but water going in, so.
Water for going there?
Yeah, so you know, break up the bone then.
Oh. I did not know that.
Don't draw them.
So you can see when the water is too hot and you spin them, its skin starts to come off.
You better throw some water in there.
So
You want to throw some water?
Just so. We take from there, put in here, then there, then deso, then deso, then there. So I like chicken and we pick off good. They in here. You see how they clean? Nice and clean. Just probably like 1 and 2 fit up or something there. So yeah, I ate what they are too. They can see all like feathers them coming out of there. And look how clean the chicken come out.
Yeah.
Clean. Somebody just come wake me up. He just came from his mom.
Hi guys.
Yo, Samari, I'm joking. What you say about sleep, Samari?
You see, Guys, he said, people may say, sleep there, sleep and murder. Me want me nice out here. Me say, sleep up and me got, me can't walk me, hey. I sleep in that hole, can't tell me reach up a sun.
And you still want to sleep?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go whip up some curry chicken. So I'm just blending up some seasoning so this will soak the curry chicken more. Since I like last minute sit and see chicken there. It still has some water for drain off. And then I'm just gonna blend this up now. Blend up season is all completed. Alright guys, so I finished the food. Sees the curry chicken.
Yes, guys.
And the jasmine rice.
Guys, I can't wait. Man. I'm hungry. And it's so delicious.
You didn't eat it yet, so you know if it's delicious or not.
Well, me smelly pot, man.
And this one, so you know, eat curry.
I hate curry.
Keep your voice down. If you're hungry, I gotta eat it.
I hate curry, and I'm not eating no curry. Before I
Here's
was
the
worrying for
food.
me. And then go.
How was the food, Jade?
Nice.
Ah, that's good. See, somebody tried to say food good, so eat your food. I gave him that little bit of amount because he said you don't like curry chicken.
I do not eat curry, and I'm going to kill them.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Stop walking at home.
Hey.
There you go, get beaten. Guys, look who just come in from 10 o'clock this morning. Almost 10 o'clock now.
I not leave here at 10 o'clock.
Yes, you did. Oh, you left before 10 o'clock. Remember, you said you was
leave here before no 10 o'clock.
B, you said you was going to come back by 10:30, yes or no?
Yeah.
And you didn't. Almost 10 o'clock.
I come back now, damn in 10:30.
I didn't come in, come say you want to fish out here food. Me tell him if you eat out the road, you know, me done tell him already say, stop! Me tell him if you eat out the road. Some more, come on for me. Some more.
Say no, give me the night.
Some more! I mean, what? That's Samari.
No, Samari.
Samara.
Samari, come here. Sam.
B, you're not if you tell the vlog.
I don't know.
Yeah, tell lie upon me, B, so we must tell the black so yeah.
What lie me tell upon you?
Guys, me tell me lie.
What lie?
B, me no leave so long.
Samara, when did you leave here? What time you left here?
Me no remember, B, but I know something about it. I'm tell if you come and you never want to come us.
You know, go eat food everywhere. Me need to fit by food everywhere. Samara, low me now? Stop! Go share out your damn food.
What?
Go share out your food and leave me alone.
Kayla, come. Come here, Kayla.
Ready for God prophet, come. Now go bed.
Yeah, go beard.
Yeah. Hungry, I kill you, boy. You didn't have food with us, did you?
Yo, leave me alone, man.
See?
Yo, leave me alone. Kayla, leave me alone. Stop.
Look for your food.
No. Leave me alone, man.